United Robotics on its way to the future. So we are here in Riyadh at the Global Health Exhibition. We are showcasing the ULab Mobile, and together with me today is Sabah Al Farra, and she's with Al-Kamal, and she's supporting us with the marketing of the ULab Mobile going forward.
Yes.
So welcome.
Thank you. Welcome. You're welcome to Riyadh.
Thank you so much.
How do you feel?
I feel super excited. So it's day 3, and therefore I think I know a bit.
Yes.
I was even more excited on day 1.
Yes.
I didn't know what to expect, but you made it look perfect for us.
So
yeah.
And I'm so happy that you guys are here.
Yeah, wonderful. So thinking about the robotics.
Yes.
Have you had any exposure with robotics before?
Honestly, not really. Like in front of me and to see it, no. It's something new and very interesting to look at. So I'm very happy with such thing. So my answer would be no.
So you say such thing. What do you mean with such thing?
Because look, it's like a human being. It's moving. It's targeting stuff. Picking them up.
Yeah.
Even if there's a human being, it's not gonna hit it. It stops for it and waits. So it's actually something I'm.
Yeah.
It's making me.
You have not expected.
Yeah, I did not expect something like that at all. No.
So since you are in marketing, right, and with Al-Kamal,
Yes.
so you will be our spokesperson here on the ground.
Yes.
So you have any ideas of what would be a cool, fancy thing to do with a robot?
With the robot?
Yeah.
Want it to be funny?
Yes.
I was talking earlier. What about an evil mode? And then it just starts throwing everything everywhere, because when you see people putting stuff where the robot needs to put, maybe the robot can just throw it and keep working with it, and then maybe that way, because people would understand that robots can have action too.
Yeah, I think this is a cool idea. What I also see is that whenever I show pictures or when I show even videos, it's not the same like seeing the robot, right? So there's a huge difference. So maybe having a showroom or something would be nice. Yeah. So that is. And do you think there is a huge interest here?
I think yes, especially here since we're in the Middle East. A lot of people like the new stuff. They like to experience, ask, see what's going on. What is this new? Like you saw earlier, yesterday, people were also coming and they just want to know what this is.
Yeah.
And they started calling us like, hey, can you explain? Can you tell us?
Right.
So it's different.
So I'm super excited to have you on the team.
And I am. It's my pleasure.
So that is something where I can't be more happy because I know you have so great skills, and you will translate whatever is, I would say, from a German engineering point of view, to translate it into the language what the locals would need here, right? Yeah.
It would be my pleasure.
Yeah. So that's Sabah.
Thank you so much.
We are here together with Mahmoud Al Farra, and this is our first entry point to the market of Saudi Arabia. And today we have a special situation because we have a new partner. A new partnership, a new contribution to our URG family.
Yes.
And welcome to United Robotics Group, Mahmoud.
Thank you very much. And this is the first introduction to the AI technology in Saudi Arabia when it comes to the laboratory and the users. Thank you very much.
So we are here because we are on our scaling route, right? So we want to scale and we want to become more relevant in the market. And we felt Saudi Arabia would be really a good way of introducing the ULab Mobile and other robotic solutions to the market of Saudi Arabia. A couple of weeks ago, I think, we just talked about the opportunity of having robotic solutions and the ULab Mobile in Saudi Arabia. And you were excited, right?
Absolutely.
So why was that? Why were you excited?
It was really obviously based on the real customer needs. When we talk about the real needs at the laboratory, when we touch the pre-analytical part, the analytical part, and the post-analytical part. So there is a real need for such amazing product that will solve a lot of issues.
So I think what the users and the people watching this will definitely like to hear is how you got to know about United Robotics Group.
It's very obvious that the trend today at every different industry is to utilize the best or out of the artificial intelligence. Searching about artificial intelligence applied for the in vitro diagnostic, United Robotics Group is ranked as number one. And the basic trust and the basic knowledge of yourself and your team made the agreement came very fast. We are here just to utilize what you have achieved and apply it in Saudi Arabia.
So I was super impressed. I mean, today is the day 3 of the Congress, and we had quite a couple of discussions already with relevant users, but also organizations and from different hospitals. So it seems that the people, and that is normal, they probably don't really understand right now what the robotic solution can really provide in the laboratory or in the hospital itself. So we had a lot of explanations, but there was so much excitement around this one, and this was something I feel, I wasn't expecting, honestly. Yeah.
Even myself, I wasn't expecting the same, but I was considering that there should be a surprise, a nice surprise to the end users, a positive surprise, but also not only to the end users. I was surprised by being approached by different manufacturers of the laboratories. They were asking and excited to know how can United Robotics Group cooperate with them to add something to their automation.
Talking a bit about the next thing, maybe our partnership, the collaboration. So we signed yesterday a partnership agreement. So that was great. Yep. Also with the owners and the founders of Al-Kamal. Maybe you speak a bit about Al-Kamal itself.
Yeah, Al-Kamal is one of the leader distributors in Saudi Arabia when we talk about pharmaceutical product, diagnostic product, imaging, ultrasound, nutrition, and it's been a solid partner for a lot of international providers since decades. That's why, with my basic understanding, that was the basic trust that you had toward Al-Kamal in order to make this partnership signed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so that was a fantastic celebration. We also had nice dinner yesterday in order to celebrate about this. Yeah, it was really, really nice. But there's more to it. I mean, we have all plans. So what would be a good next step for us in Saudi Arabia? And for the ULab Mobile and United Robotics Group. What do you think?
I would say absolutely it is endless agenda that we have, because this is the only start, but the way is too long, and it's very fruitful all the time, all the way down to the market. Could be we start first start for us to start at one of the A-class healthcare providers to let them utilize and taste the beauty of this product at their laboratories.
Yeah, we talked also to your team, right? So we want to really do some training, service training, but also really see how the marketing and the positioning in the market and what really the customers need.
Yeah.
So that is our, I would say, immediate next step.
Absolutely.
But I think the other one is really to convince users, and the more the better, right?
Yeah. To start with confidence, this is great, and this is required also with any new product in the market. And to be full confident, this is what you exactly mentioned, that we offer a full integrated solution to our clients, including the service, the maintenance. However, when I say service, the system doesn't need really any kind of service. It's just, I would say, plug and play. And this is the beauty of this product, that it shouldn't involve the end user to make hands-on.
Yeah, that's well said. So it's plug and play. because we already have lots of skills already as part of the software. So you can utilize them, and the robot is working in the infrastructure of the hospital. And that is, I think, also what people was really amazed about when they saw the situation here. Yeah.
The big secret is behind what you have done already to establish such, how can I say it, such a beautiful system.
So if you think maybe ahead, and I know we have to think about a lot of support here, but if you think about the future of our partnership and of the deployment of robots in Saudi Arabia, what would be your dream?
The dream is to involve other industries like the pharmaceuticals, like the manufacturers, and this could be additional a huge potential and demand, but it's going to be an additional added value to those new industries.
Okay, so you would start in the laboratory, but you would not stop there.
My heart goes usually with the lab and how to provide something valuable to the lab. I used to be also a lab user, application. But today I am looking at the lab that there is very, very special value that we can provide it to the laboratory. Outside the lab, definitely when we talk about the business, it is again endless because definitely I will not focus with the lab, but I will make every laboratory in Saudi Arabia happy using this wonderful device. In parallel, we can also talk about other industries in pharmaceutical or other manufacturing industries.
Mahmoud, I think this is a very, very nice statement. So there's endless possibilities. What we start, and the start is right now. We start from today and we start going forward. So thank you very much.
No, I should thank you very much for your trust. I should thank you very much for the hard work, for your focus, for your dedication. Not only you, but it was an amazing team who made this successful.
Wonderful. So thank you very much. And to all the users and to all the people watching, feel free to follow our channels and have fun.
Free audio post-production by alphonic.com.